So welcome back again, guys. In this video, we're going to unbox the Airpods Pro 2nd generation. I just finished unboxing the Apple Watch and BAM! BAM! And BAM! Sobrang ganda niya, guys, kasi hindi yata siya. Yan. Sobrang ganda, guys. I'll be doing a separate video on the review. If you want to check that out, be sure to subscribe. So, if you haven't watched the unboxing of this one, I'll leave a link in the description. So unbox na natin to, guys. So what's on the front of the box? You have the AirPods Pro. I'm lost for words. The AirPods Pro. On the side, you have the Apple logo, and on the other side, AirPods Pro, Apple logo, and the compatible equipments. The compatible, what do you call this? Accessories, gadgets. Yeah. So, okay. So let's steer here. You have to. Do you have to tear or? Oh, you definitely have to tear. So once we tear this one, there's no turning back. So there's no sound. There's no sound. Silent unboxing. So I'm actually want to try aesthetic unboxing. Siguro minsan. Let's try. So okay. Once you peel this part. Wow, napaka-smooth ng kanyang vacuum seal. You're greeted with the paperwork. I hope there's an Apple logo. Is there an Apple logo? Apple sticker. Wala na silang sticker, guys. Bango na. Wala na silang sticker. I'm not so sure if bakit hindi na sila nag-i-sticker. Before, when Apple was trying to compete for its place in the market, they always put sticker on any items. So now they are starting to steer away from stickers. Maybe because Apple is already laki na yung pangalan nila, so they don't necessarily need to endorse themselves anymore. So you have the AirPods Pro. Okay, so silent lang din siya, guys. Silent lang din siya. Then open natin to. So medyo iba yung design niya, guys. Okay. So this one, meron pa rin siyang button sa likod. Then you have the parang lagayan ng strap. It's a throwback sa mga batang 90s ito, guys. So, and you have the never-ending lightning port. So it has a speaker. I think, yeah, this one has a speaker. Most of the concerns kasi from their customers to us, their iPods were missing. So apparently you can connect this to find your iPhone and it will ring so you can find it. Okay, so wow, ganda, guys. It's still magnetic though. There's a sound. Do you hear that? a small ding, so it's not that loud. Okay, so you have the Airpods Pro. Oh no guys, it looks so premium compared to other headphones. So it's so shiny. Sobrang shiny niya guys. So I'm not sure if this one will also alarm if you lost it. Pero yeah, I'll be doing a review of this one. Ganda niya guys. First impression, I'm really liking it. I don't know if it's an iPhone, an Apple bias or what, because I'm mostly Apple bias. So then continue natin guys. You have this eggshell, parang ano siya, egg tray. It's like an egg tray. So you have the spare. I think this is spare. So you have spare buds. You have the extra small, the small and large. Okay. And then hopefully I don't get to use that. You have the charging cord. No charging brick. So napakasimple lang guys ng unboxing natin dito. Actually, after if you've been in the Apple long enough, it makes sense that they remove the charging brick. Kasi if you've been buying a lot of Apple products, then you definitely will have an Apple brick. But the only downside is, what if you're not, diba? So it gets annoying sometimes, but it's just Apple doing Apple things, Some people already what do you call that? They've already protested, but apparently they're not hearing anything from Apple. So okay, let's check this one out. Let's try to connect this one. Is it Bluetooth? Do you have to open it? How do you connect this one? Oh, nice. So you don't necessarily need to do anything. Just open the connections and it will automatically connect. There you go. So it's connected. So press once on either AirPod to play or pause. Oh, so meron din siyang guys, tutorial on how to use noise control. Press and hold on either AirPod to switch between noise. Oh, you have to press and hold. Okay. So from what I've heard, this one has a really good noise cancellation. Okay, so let's try. Wala akong marinig guys. Okay. So once na turn on mo yung once you turn on the noise cancellation, you definitely can't hear anything. And once you turn it back off, it's like you can hear everything as if you're not wearing anything. So that's the beauty of it. But there's some kind of, I don't know, it feels like parang it feels amplified, yung parang naka-headset ka na, then it tries to amplify the noises around you. So that's how I feel it. It doesn't feel natural. It doesn't feel natural. Although they are doing a pretty good job doing the noise cancellation and transparency mode apparently. So let's try that again. Maybe I should switch. Maybe I should switch sizes. Kasi parang I feel that it's either a little too small for me. Okay, so let's try again. So you have to press. So once you started pressing, once you press and hold on the AirPods, you will no longer hear anything. It's mostly similar to the Sony, the XM 1005, 1000 and something. So 1000 XM, 1000 XM5, the XM5, 1000 XM5. That's it for me today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the thumbs up if you like, smash that like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.